Stick around to the end of the video where we'll be sharing 3 more bonus tips on shopping with New Look. You can use your student discount on full price items with a New Look Uni Days or Student Beans account. Just enter the code into the promotions box at the checkout and this will be applied to your order total. For all student discounts, check out our New Look Voucher codes page below. You can check your New Look voucher balance online or use it to make a full or part payment for your items. Just choose a gift card as your payment option and type in the 16-digit number on the card and the 4-digit PIN code. You can get free returns to all UK stores even if you bought your item on the New Look website, except for third-party brands sold on New Look. You need to return those through the warehouse. The New Look lift and shape jeans are more of a jegging style and very popular for their body sculpting and high comfort as they are made out of high stretch denim. If you're looking for a mum style jean, the New Look Tory jeans are a great choice with a relaxed, comfortable fit and a little bit of stretch. .915 is the New Look clothing brand for teen girls and boys. They stock from age 9 up to age 15 in clothing, shoes and accessories. If you have lost the receipt for your New Look purchase but the item is still in the same condition that it was sold in and all the tags are still attached, all you need to do is go into store and they may be able to offer an exchange or refund. You can create a return online with Royal Mail, Collect Plus or InPost. You can print your own New Look returns label or there is a no print alternative. The quickest way to return your item and get a refund is to take it in store. If you are unsure on New Look footwear sizing, just check out their handy guide to find out how to measure your feet to help decide what size is right for you. They typically offer all footwear in sizes 3 to 9 at a C fitting. They do also offer a wide fit range which is a D fitting. Yes, returns are free and you have 28 days to return any unwanted items. Check your spam or junk folder for your confirmation email. If after a few hours you still haven't received any New Look emails, head to My Orders to check if the order you placed was processed. If it has, the email address that you provided may have been wrong. The delivery pass costs $19.99 for the whole year and entitles you to unlimited next day delivery and click and collect, DP precise delivery and free returns. Yes, choose the amount you want to add to the card, starting at £10 and add a personalised message. E-gift cards will then be emailed to your friend or loved one and physical gift cards can be posted. New Look stock men's clothing, shoes and accessories with basics from $5.99 in sizes 2 extra small to 5 extra large. New Look Kind specifies certain items are made in a more environmentally sustainable way than others. You will find this on the labels of the items that apply. Yes, ASOS stock a New Look at ASOS edit with an array of clothing, lingerie, footwear and more. You can get free next day delivery if you spend £65, free express delivery on orders over £50 or free standard delivery on orders over £25. Yes, New Look offer 20% off for Bluelight and Defence Discount service members. For more NHS discounts, check our voucher codes page below. All you need to do is sign up to the New Look newsletter as a new customer and you'll receive a unique code with 25% off New Look branded items. Check out our previous video, how to use New Look voucher codes, to find out. You can shop with Klarna at New Look online or in store. Just pick Klarna as your payment option and you can spread the cost of your order. Want to know exactly where your order is? Use the New Look tracking service and just type in your order number to see its progress. Look out for multi-buy offers on basics, 3 for 2 on briefs and 5 for £5 on socks. Apply for the New Look store card and get 20% off as soon as it arrives and 25% off on your birthday. We add new deals to our website every single day, so be sure to like and subscribe for more.